Welcome. If you're here, chances are you're on the hunt for journal articles. Whether it's a paper, essay, speech, or presentation you're tackling, they all share a common ground: research. Now, some people head straight to the library, chat with a librarian, and dive into databases to unearth those articles. But let's face it, for most of us, the internet is the go-to spot for information. Both library databases and the internet serve as information sources, but that's pretty much where their similarities end. In this video series, we'll explore the key differences between library databases and the internet. You'll pick up skills on navigating library databases effectively and learn how to harness the internet's vast resources more efficiently for your project's needs. So what exactly is a database? Think of it as a neatly organized storage unit of information. It could be anything from bibliographic records to a treasure trove of journals. In the past, databases were literal file cabinets, but everything is digital now. Within library databases, information is centralized. You gotta head to the specific database housing the article you need. Searching is all about matching keywords and search terms with the database's content. What you'll get? Articles tailored to your search terms. Now contrast that with the internet. It is not a centralized hub. It is a vast network of interconnected computers. No single storage spot for information here. Instead, when you search, a search engine swoops in, directing you to a computer within the network that might have what you're after. What you'll find? A list of websites others have visited in pursuit of similar info. So when do you turn to library databases versus the internet? Library databases are your go-to for peer-reviewed articles, academic journal pieces, or when your topic is crystal clear. On the other hand, the internet shines when you're brainstorming for an argumentative essay, is still toying with your topic, or need articles from popular media. In our upcoming videos, we'll dive deeper into mastering these resources. Stay tuned. Alright, let's delve deeper into the world of databases. Picture them as colossal containers meticulously organized with information. Specifically, a bibliographic database or library database is where you'll find a treasure trove of journals, each packed with articles covering various subjects. Now, depending on the database, these articles can hail from scientific journals, magazines, newspapers, or even encyclopedias and dictionaries. They might focus on a specific topic or cast a wider net. So how do you access these databases? First things first, you need to know where to find them. If you're a student at MHCC, head to the college's homepage. From there, navigate to the library link under Student Resources. Once you're in the library's homepage, scroll down until you spot the Article Databases panel. Click on it and voila! You are greeted with a vast list of databases, offering a plethora of options. Now, depending on your project, you'll want to pick the right database. For instance, if you're crafting a paper for a science class, Academic Search Complete or Academic OneFile might be your go-tos. Writing an essay for Writing 121 or Writing 122? Opt for Opposing Viewpoints or CQ Researcher. Nursing or health science paper on your agenda? Look into CINAHL or Medline. There are even specialized databases for forestry science and fisheries. Let's take a closer look at Academic Search Complete for an example. Click on the link to dive in. If you encounter a proxy page, simply punch in your student login and password to gain access. Now you're in the database's search page. Hopefully by now you got a well-developed topic and some search terms ready to roll. Type them into the search bar. But hold on. Before you hit that search button, take a peek at the options below. Many find the full text and peer review options handy. Click search and boom, you're presented with a list of articles sorted by relevance. Articles with your search terms in the title or abstract take the lead. Scan through the abstracts. If what you need isn't there, don't waste time. Move on to the next article. Found the gem? Click on the title for more details like authors, journal info, and publication date. Read the abstract to get a gist of what's inside. Ready to dive in? Click on the full text link to access the article. And hey, if you want to save it for later, email it to yourself or grab a citation using the handy icons. Remember, databases may vary in appearance, but they all work the same way. In our next segment, we'll explore how to harness the Internet's vast resources for your academic endeavors. Stay tuned.
This man is an author.
Let's switch gears to the Internet, a sprawling network unlike the centralized repository of library databases. Picture it. Billions of computers interlinked into a vast web. When you search the Internet, you enlist the help of a search engine. Type in your query, hit search, and presto. You are presented with a list of websites frequented by others seeking similar info. The idea is simple. The most visited site likely holds the answers you seek. Sounds straightforward, right? Well, not quite. While finding information is a breeze, sifting through the sea of results to uncover quality material fit for academia is the real challenge. Here's where understanding domains comes in handy. Websites typically end in .com, .edu, .org, and .gov, among others. Each domain serves a different purpose. .com sites often cater to personal or commercial ventures, while .edu domains belong to educational institutions and research hubs. .org signifies nonprofits, and .gov denotes U.S. government sites. Armed with this knowledge, let's optimize our Internet searches. Simply head to your preferred search engine and type your query. No need for refined keywords or topics. This is why many people lean towards Google. But before you hit search, add site:/.edu to your query. This nifty trick, known as site search, restricts results to .edu domains only. Click search and voila! You'll receive a list of results exclusively from educational institutions. This tactic streamlines your quest for credible school-worthy information. But wait, there's more. Ever heard of Google Scholar? Think of it as an enhanced .edu site search. Here you'll unearth the scholarly articles, but beware. Not all are readily accessible. Many lurk behind paywalls. If you encounter such a barrier, don't fret. Instead, reach out to a librarian for assistance. We've got tricks up our sleeves to access articles trapped behind paywalls. With these insights, you're equipped to navigate both library databases and the boundless expanse of the Internet with confidence. Should you have any questions, don't hesitate to consult a librarian or your instructor. Happy researching!